welcome to CafeVoz, and this is an instruction video to teach us how to log on. So we're going to go to CafeVoz.com, and in the near future, we're going to have a login section right here, but for now we're going to click on June 2020, which takes us to the login section. Okay, and so when we just get here, we're going to see that we have two places, My List and Public Lists. When you start out, you're not going to have anything in My List because you haven't uploaded anything. And so the things that I have public, you will see on my public lists. I just see my husband's list because it's not mine. So let's say we just want to practice some terms. So we go to Firearms and we start playing the list. We're in our car, washing dishes, whatever we're doing, and we practice.
Clip.
Cargador.
Cargador.
Forensic ballistic expert witness.
Experto
Perito en balística.
Oh no, I want to say perito because that's the term that I
Firearms
like
expert.
more. Perito en armas de
Perito
fuego.
en armas de fuego.
So then I go to the complete list because I say, well, I know some of these and some of them I don't. And this allows me to play all the terms. We can do them individually here on these buttons, each term, or we can just play the list. So I'm going to play
Clip.
the list. Cargador.
Cargador.
Forensic ballistic expert witness.
Experto en balística.
Perito en balística.
Oh no.
Firearms expert.
Perito en armas de fuego.
Perito en armas de fuego.
To rifle the weapon.
Oh no, I forgot that one.
Determinar las características del arma.
Okay, so we go through the whole list, and now we can go to our refine list after we've gone through the whole list, and we say we just want to study the terms that we don't know or that we don't have like we want to have. So here's my refine list, and I can go
Forensic ballistic expert witness.
Perito en balística.
To rifle the weapon.
determinar las características del arma.
Determinar las características del arma.
And I'm like, sweet, now I have both of them, so I could either eliminate them by marking them right, or I can keep them because I'm like, they're still not mine. So I can decide either way. So I'm going to say, yeah, I have this one, but I don't have this one, and go back. And so that is how we play our terms. I hope you enjoy this, and I'll be making some more videos to upload terms and just to manage terms. So have a good one. Bye.